Welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast and Class. And I mean, that's good, beautiful, great fun. To Nkupi, the entertainer. Let's just go out. We don't have a reason. We don't even know where we're going. We're just going out. Let's go. Come on, man. Oh, man. That Vora lost me. Guys. I was chasing this Vora because it was giving me very good vibes. I lost. Oh, there it is. It's very tough chasing a Vora. Where's that Vora? It has turned somewhere here. That Vora has turned somewhere here. Where is that Vora? I am too late. That Vora is gone. Gone. Gone Ganja. I will never find it again because it was just around here. When it lost me, I took long to turn. Hey, that was nice. We love Voras and whatever they do to us. Yes. One thing about me, I love seeing nice cars. If nice cars would park and choose to not leave the house, I would also stay inside and not leave. Because I live to go out and see nice cars. That they are really nice. Or just being alive. Hey. It's so nice. Having a car that you know to just get in and drive. It's a nice feeling, man. Looking for nice cars. The police are very angry. So let me do my part. I don't know who made the police very angry, but hey, the police have eaten cheese. I'm sure very soon they wouldn't like to see anyone chew. Just chew. Chewing is going to be a problem here in town. I want a nice car. Nice cars. Where are the nice cars heading? Huh? Nice cars. Where y'all hiding? What's the point of having a nice car and then hiding it? These cars are for the streets. They're meant to be enjoyed. They're meant to be appreciated by the world. Now you drive nice cars and hide them. You are hiding women and men. Let me wait here. I know what I'm waiting for. Eish. Jacques. Hey, who's it? Eish, ungwisha was blind. Ungwisha mnati. Ah, mana kushe jumara kuchela di again. Eish.